Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see how to sort a data in MS Excel. Data sorting can be done on the basis of numbers or it can be sorted alphabetically as in ascending order or descending order starting from A to Z and numerically to arrange the lower order to higher order or accordingly, or you can uh, means starting from a higher number to lower number or like that. It is used to find out the values very quickly. As you can see in on the screen, the names of students, date of birth, subjects and their marks have been written in different columns. Now if I have to the here I'll tell you how to sort the data on the basis of cell color first. So first we will have to take the whole data and in the data option there is the option of sort. We can click here. Now here you get the option sort by marks, cell color, and suppose if I want red colored cell to the top, then I will click on the red here on the top. And now suppose if I want the yellow cell color, yellow cells below red, then I will add another level. Again by marks, values on the here we can we should select cell color, sort on, and here I'll select yellow and I'll click on OK. So here you can see the magic. It has been successfully sorted on cell color as I wanted red color cells on the top and yellow below it. Now if we want to sort this on the basis of marks, that is from higher to the lower, then we will select this entire data, click on sort, then delete level, back to the original form, add level, sort by marks and values, smallest to the largest. I click on OK. Then here is the magic. All numbers have been sorted from lower to the higher order. Now if I want to sort the same data on the basis of date of birth, I'll again select the entire data, click on sort, delete level, and add level, sort by date of birth, values. I'll click on values, which means their dates which are mentioned in that column. Then oldest to newest. I click on OK. As you can see, the old guy is first in the column and the one who is young is the last. Now if I want to sort this data on alphabetically, then I'll again select the entire data alphabetically, as in the names starting from A will be first and then accordingly. Then I'll click on sort, delete level, sort by name, then values, which is the names mentioned in it, A to Z. I click on OK and you can see here A, C, D names have been arranged alphabetically from A to the highest order. Now suppose if I want to sort the data, and if the names of two guys are same, then I'll again click on sort by name, values A to Z, add level, then by name, I'll select date of birth over here, values that is present in it, and then I click on OK. Now the data has been sorted alphabetically, with oldest coming the first and young coming the last. Now if I want to again sort this data alphabetically based on marks, then I'll again delete level and add new level, sort by name. Here it will be values only, A to Z, then again add level, then by marks, values, that is marks present in smallest to largest. I click on OK, and you can see the magic here. This has been, data has been sorted alphabetically, but also on the basis of marks. The one with low marks, the one with less marks is on the top, and then alphabetically it is, marks have also been changed, as you can see. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching.